What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I'm going to be messing with my steering wheel here. There is nothing really wrong with the steering wheel besides the fact that it's the base model edition steering wheel. I do want to get the steering wheel. It's got the buttons a little bit fancier. In my opinion, it looks a little bit nicer. But till then, I'm just going to rock with this one. I have been looking online to get a replacement steering wheel, but they're pretty pricey right now, so we're going to wait. So, let me take you to my workbench and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so we are at the workbench. This is what we got here. This is a steering wheel wrap, not a steering wheel cover. The difference here is that I'm going to put this over the steering wheel, and then I'll use the thread that they supplied to pull together on each side so it'll hug the steering wheel and wrap around there, and it should look a lot better than the big old clunky steering wheel covers. I did go to the store and get a couple different kind of needles, see if that would help. So let's go ahead and start putting this on the car. Now that we're in the car and we have the steering wheel wrap, first thing we're gonna do here is just try to work this on there. It will be a little tight, so you gotta mess with it a little bit. Okay, now that this is loosely put onto the steering wheel, we're gonna grab our sewing needle and start tightening this all down. Okay, now that it's all done, as you can see, it turned out pretty decent. The only two downfalls that we did have were these two little blocks right here. It's kind of hard to sew around those, but as you can see on the rest of the steering wheel, it wrapped around it nicely. So it does look a little better than being just stock. I still plan on trying to get the nicer steering wheel with the buttons, but I think for now, this is gonna work. Only time will tell, see if I actually like this setup or not. Just like everything else I do. But the interior on this car is coming out pretty nicely. Got the lights, steering wheel wrap. This is a suede, so it feels really good in the hands. But other than that, that's gonna do it for the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.